Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Goods. Today we're diving into something super important for, well, everyone. Sleep. Specifically, we're looking at the Wayfair Sleep 10-inch medium cooling gel memory foam mattress. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another mattress review? But stick with me because this one might just be exactly what you've been looking for. So, who is this mattress for? Let's break it down into a few common types of sleepers. User Type 1. The My Partner is a Human Tornado Sleeper. You know who you are. Every toss, every turn, every late-night bathroom trip by your partner feels like an earthquake on your side of the bed. If you're constantly being woken up by your significant other's movements, this mattress could be a game changer. The Wayfair Sleep mattress has a slow-motion transfer design. What does that mean for you? It means when your partner is doing their nightly acrobatics, you're less likely to feel it. You can actually stay asleep, even if they're doing the cha-cha. User Type 2. The Goldilocks Sleeper. Are you someone who struggles to find a mattress that's just right? Not too firm, not too soft? One user mentioned, "It's not too soft, so you don't sink, which I like, and it gives support. But it's definitely not too hard." This mattress hits that sweet spot of medium firmness. It contours to your body for support, without making you feel like you're sinking into quicksand. It's about finding that comfortable balance. User Type 3. The Always Hot Sleeper. Do you wake up in a sweat even when the AC is blasting? Memory foam can sometimes get a bad rap for trapping heat, but not this one. It's designed with cooling gel and green tea infusion, making it breathable and temperature regulated. So if you're a naturally warm sleeper or you live in a warmer climate, this feature is a big win for keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. User Type 4. The Smart Shopper or Guest Room Gopher. Let's be real, mattresses can be a huge investment. But if you're looking for amazing quality without breaking the bank, especially for a guest room, this mattress punches above its weight. Another reviewer said, "Amazing quality for the price. Perfect for our guest room office." It ships in a compact box, making it easy to get into any room. And it works with almost any bed frame. Box springs, platforms, slatted bases, even adjustable frames. This flexibility is fantastic if you're not looking to buy an entirely new bed setup. Key features and how they help you. Cooling gel memory foam with green tea. We talked about this, but it's worth repeating. This isn't just memory foam. It's cooling memory foam. No more waking up drenched in sweat. CertiPUR-US certified foam. This might sound techy, but it's important. It means the foam meets rigorous standards for content, emissions, and durability. Essentially, it's safe for you and safe for the environment, and it's going to last. Versatile compatibility. This isn't a picky mattress. If you already have a bed frame, chances are this mattress will work with it. That saves you time and money. Easy setup. It comes in a compact box. Unbox it, unroll it, and let it expand. While it usually takes 48 to 72 hours to fully decompress, you can actually sleep on it while it's expanding. So, no waiting around for days. 10-year limited warranty. This is a big one for peace of mind. A decade of coverage shows the manufacturer stands behind their product. They're confident it's going to last, and so should you. Just note the weight limits. Twin sizes support up to 250 pounds, while other sizes can handle up to 500 pounds. So, is this mattress for you? If you're tired of feeling your partner move, if you're a hot sleeper, if you're looking for that just right medium firmness, or if you want a high-quality mattress that won't empty your wallet, especially for a guest room, then the Wayfair Sleep 10-inch medium cooling gel memory foam mattress is definitely worth considering. If you prefer a super firm or ultra plush mattress, or if you need something with very specialized orthopedic support, you might want to look at other options. But for the vast majority of people looking for a comfortable, supportive, and cool night's sleep at a great value, this mattress ticks a lot of boxes. It's about getting better sleep without overcomplicating things or overspending. And who doesn't want that? That's it for our review of the Wayfair Sleep 10-inch medium cooling gel memory foam mattress. Let us know in the comments if you have this mattress or if you're thinking about getting one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Goods for more honest reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.